Title of this research study is Investigate the Circumstances Among College Students of Sorsogon State University During this Pandemic COVID-19 2020-2021. Here is the introduction. Online classes affects every students, teachers, and even professors. College students nowadays during pandemic were experiencing heightened depression and anxiety, especially the Sorsogon State University college students. For many college students, virtual classes may exacerbate existing mental health disorder. These studies investigate the circumstances among SSU college students during pandemic COVID-19 2020-2021. Yes, let's say students may adapt to new routines and educational environments, but many have had difficulty adapting to this new normal situation. So, what challenges have faced by them in the context of distance learning during the pandemic? And how college students of SSU overcome these challenges in their daily lives as online learners? Here is the conceptual framework of this research. Distance learning circumstances overcome these circumstances. Circumstances during distance learning and overcome these circumstances. The research to be conducted utilize the variables such as circumstances and overcome the circumstances. Distance learning will serve as a mediator variable to circumstances as may affect the result of different circumstances of college students. Maybe many students exhibit anxiety toward distance education based on UNGER 2020. Research design. Let's proceed to the research design. The objective of this research study utilized the descriptive research design, as it provides a question of what challenges are facing in a context of online distance learning that is associated as a research problem. And another objective of this research study utilize also descriptive research, as it's provide a question of how to overcome this associated particular research problem, which is the distance learning during pandemic COVID-19. Those objectives of this research study I've mentioned is used to obtain information concerning the current issues of phenomena, which is the COVID-19, and also these objectives describe what exists, which is the online learning or the distance learning, what exists with respect to a variable, and this variable represent as the student enrolled in Sorsogon State University in year 2020-2021, and condition of these variables in a situation. Let's proceed to the sampling method of this research study. This study wanted to select a random group of 100 respondents from out of 4,000 respondents. These respondents is the college student of SSU enrolled in year 2020-2021. Every party on the list would be chosen as a participant, since 4,000 over 100 is equal to 40. Using systematic sampling, all the potential participants which is college student of SSU enrolled in year 2020-2021 must be placed in a list. A list would be alphabetical in each year. In this research study, systematic sampling are the sampling method that used. Because of this simplicity, among other sampling method, it is more easy to understand. The results present the majority of normal populations, guarantees the entire population is even sampled. The sampling size of this research study deals with 95%. 95% confidence level that allows for only 5% marginal error, and it will be required to collect 364 respondents out of 4,000 population size. So the temporary number of participants of this study contains 364 college students of SSU from the target populations of 4,000 college students enrolled in Sorsogon State University year 2020-2021. Using Slovene equation, n, or the small n, which is represent the sample size, is equal to big letter N, which is represent as a population size, which is the 4,000, over 1 plus NE. The NE is the population size times the squared of marginal error, which is the 5%. So it may result 364 participants among 4,000 populations of SSU enrolled year 2020-2021. So the sampling size are enough to determine the entire population as a whole. So since due to COVID-19 pandemic that everyone's affected, I think the family or the status of family or the life status of those college students of SSU are almost the same. Because of this, it has a bigger tendency that even in a small sampling size, we can get the entire answers of whole populations. So it is not too small or too big, the 364 sampling size. Let's proceed to the last one, the data collection method. This research study used observation, questionnaires, and survey data collection method. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the best way to communicate with respondents is via self-administered questionnaire, which can be delivered either by conventional mail or via the group internet as web-based or email-based questionnaires. Since this research study used observation as one of the data collection, it is necessarily to conduct also a virtual interview, which can be conducted either Zoom, Google Meet, or video call at a via Messenger. Through to this, observation must be successfully applied. Due to COVID-19, once again, online forms are a modern and effective way to conduct a survey. So, thank you. I am hoping that this proposed research study of mine would have a successful results and have a good conclusions after all. As one of a college student of Sorsogon State University this year 2020-2021, I am third year college student. I am hoping that this paperworks of mine can help to other researchers someday. Thank you and God bless everyone.